Hello guys, this is me Shubhangi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a really fun video. I have been wanting to try out DIY slimes since a long time. DIY slimes are all over the YouTube and they are just so satisfying to watch. There are so many different types of slimes like the fluffy slime, the glow in the dark slime, the glitter slime. My favorite slime is the fluffy slime. They look so cute and they are so colorful. Let me know in the comments what your favorite kind of slime is. So today's video will be on a slime test. So this is the first time I'm going to try making a slime. And the catch is I will be using an eye drop instead of a contact lens solution as the activator. So let's see how the slime actually turns out.
So the first thing you're going to need is a bowl. Then you're going to need Fevicol or any white adhesive. Just take 1 cup of the glue and add this to the bowl. Now for making the slime look fluffy, you are going to need shaving foam. So just add 1 cup of the foam to the glue. Trust me, it is so much fun to mix and it looks like a cake batter. Now we need to give the slime some awesome color. I will be using a red watercolor to get a pink texture. You can take any water-based color or food color, anything that you have. So add little bit of the color at a time to get the perfect shade. Mix it well with the entire mixture. Now for the activator, I'm going to use an eye drop containing boric acid or borax. This is a safer ingredient to use than borax. Now what you need to do is add few drops to the mixture at a time and mix it well. You need to keep adding the eye drop till your slime gets non-sticky.
One eternity later.
To be honest, it wasn't working out, so I also added half a teaspoon of baking soda. And I was so surprised to see it finally form into a non-sticky dough. So baking soda is also a very important ingredient, but I am sorry I could not film that part. Then I will be using my hands to finally mix it well, and if it is still sticking to your hand, add few more drops of the solution and mix it. And once you get the perfect stretchy fluffy slime, you are ready to play with. You can store the slime in any transparent plastic container. You can play with it anytime you want and it is a great stress relief toy. This was my first try in making a slime and it turned out pretty well. I had so much fun filming this video.
So the slime turned out pretty well and I'm really happy with it. It is both fluffy and stretchable. But the one thing I did not like is the smell of the glue. Maybe the use of some kind of essence could have eliminated it. But otherwise it is really fun to play with. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Ta-da!